guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an ultimate closet clean out and I'm so excited to do this with you. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Carly. I film a ton of organization and cleaning and home videos and I'd love to have you stick around, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. The room I'm filming in right now is my office slash my closet, and it's kind of turned into like the catch-all family storage room. If we're cleaning another room in our house and we don't know where to put something, it kind of all ends up here in my closet. So this room looks like a trash bag right now. Like, it literally looks like a dumpster here. There is stuff everywhere. So today I'm going to be cleaning this place up, going through a lot of it, and getting rid of even more of it. I want to say a huge thank you to Extra Space Storage for partnering with me on today's video. I actually filmed an entire nursery organization video over on their YouTube channel where I share a ton of tips on how to organize and decorate a small nursery space. I also share my son's finished nursery over in that video, so if you guys are interested in more organization content, I will link their channel in that video down below in the description. Extra Space Storage is the second largest owner and operator of self-storage properties in the United States, and they have over 1,900 self-storage properties with approximately 1.4 million units and 149 million square feet of rentable storage space, offering customers conveniently located and secure storage units across the country, including boat, RV, and business storage. They also have a blog filled with organization and storage tips and ideas, so if you are interested in home organization, they have a ton of content there that I will link below. Thank you again to Extra Space Storage for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video. So now what you're gonna see is me actually going through and cleaning out my closet slash office. I'm going to be going through all of my clothes and getting rid of the things that either no longer fit me because mom life, or no longer suit me because mom life. It's time for me to either donate them. If there's things that I think you guys would be interested that are like in really great condition, I'll list them on my Poshmark. Not only am I going to be getting rid of a lot of things in this room, I'm also going to be organizing the rest of the mess in here. And that's the goal, is hopefully that I just get rid of a lot. Everything can have a place, be stored, clean, have less stuff, have less clutter. Does anyone else do this? Because I come up with like insanely specific scenarios in my head that never come through, and I always just keep them being like, I have something green, maybe I should save it for St. Patty's Day 5 years from now. Or, oh, this flannel shirt that I haven't worn in 6 years, but what if I need a flannel shirt for some kind of a Western themed party? How many Western themed parties are you getting invited to? Because I know I'm getting invited to 0 of them. These are the thoughts that run through my mind though. I think a lot of the times I'm keeping so many pieces of clothing because I'm someone who attaches memories to my clothes. This sweater, it's like an UGG gray light sweater. And I can remember the last time I wore this. It was when Cody and I started seriously dating. Was our 2-month, I don't want to say anniversary because that's not right, but you know, we had been together for 2 months at that point. And I remember he picked me up in the car and he had 2 flowers for me. And I was wearing this sweater over a white dress. Just a memory that sticks out in my mind when I look at this sweater. So I've never gotten rid of it, even though I haven't worn it in 6+ years, because it reminds me of that date and I need to just be willing to part with it because I have a photo from that day and I can hold on to the photo, but I shouldn't keep holding on to the clothes. This is how you end up on TLC Hoarders, okay? Don't want to end up there. I've already been on one TLC show and that was enough for my lifetime. recently purchased this treadmill and I said I would get a ton of use out of it, and I wasn't lying. Currently using it as a rolling rack to set all of the pieces that I'm going to either sell or give away or donate or don't fit me anymore. So I'd say this was a great purchase. I don't even think you really can tell from this angle how much I have taken out of my closet, but I would say it's around half of everything in my closet. I'm getting rid of so much. I really find myself gravitating toward more of a minimalistic approach now. I just feel the jokes and the laughter when I say that, because it's like, did you just say the word minimalism? Look at all the crap you're surrounded with. I know, friends. That's why we're doing this project. I just feel like being a mom of 2 now, I'm so about things that are functional and easy. If I take my kids to the park, if I'm taking them in and out of a car seat, like it's gotta be something that I'm not like bending over and exposing everything, because yeah, it's just gotta be functional. So a lot of the stuff that I've taken out are things that are either not functional, not practical, they don't fit me, or they're just not really my style anymore. I've also taken a lot of things out of my closet that look like other items. As I was going through my closet, I would say to myself, gee, Carly, you have 4,000 gray sweaters. Do you really need 5 of the same looking sweater? The answer is no. So a lot of that is what's over here. I am really trying to minimize on the amount of clothing that I own, the amount of stuff that I have, and if it's a perfectly good piece of clothing, it can definitely find a home somewhere else where it would be better used. So actually being honest with myself about the pieces I truly want to wear and reach for consistently feels like a breath of fresh air to open and just see those things. I have completely minimized my dresses wardrobe, and these are the things I actually reach for, and it feels so good to see it like this, see all of this excess space, like I can move things around. Like, is anyone surprised that the pieces I'm keeping are oatmeal black and gray? It's not a shock. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up to let me know. And if you guys want more organizing content, don't forget to check out my How to Organize and Decorate a Small Nursery. I will link Extra Space Storage YouTube channel down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!